Hello everyone, welcome to APSC tutorials. Here I upload videos related to APSC, UPSC, SSC, Bank PO, etc. So share and subscribe the channel as much as possible. So today we'll discuss boundary lines between countries. So let's start the video. So the first line that we are going to discuss is India-Pakistan border line, which is called Radcliffe Line. The total length of this Radcliffe Line is 3,323 kilometers. So let's see the Radcliffe Line. This is India, this is Pakistan. In between India and Pakistan, we have this Radcliffe Line. The total length of this Radcliffe Line is 3,323 kilometers. And he is the architect who drawn this Radcliffe Line. His name is Sir Cyril Radcliffe. He was an architect. He was the chairman of the two boundary commission for the two provinces. Next line is India-Bangladesh border line, which is called Purvachal or operating zero line. The length of this operating zero line is 4,096 kilometers. So again we have the same picture. The same architect has drawn the same line. This is initially called, it was also called Radcliffe Line, but now it is the operating zero line. The total length of this operating zero line is 4,096 kilometers. So this one is Radcliffe Line, the present Radcliffe Line, and this one is the operating zero line. The third line we are going to discuss is India-China, that is McMahon Line. The total length of this McMahon Line is 3,380 kilometers. So here we have India, we have the China, and in between we have this McMahon Line. So the British colonial administrator Henry McMahon at the 1914 Simla Convention who drawn this McMahon Line. The next line is India-Bhutan border line, which is called Indo-Bhutan line. And the total length of this Indo-Bhutan line is 699 kilometers. Indo-Bhutan 699 kilometers. So here is India, here is Bhutan. Which is, what is the capital of Bhutan? Thimphu is the capital of Bhutan. So this line is called Indo-Bhutan boundary line. Next line is India-Afghanistan. So the border line which is there in between India and Afghanistan, the name of that boundary line is called Durand Line. The total length of this Durand Line is 106 kilometers. So if you see in the map, here we have India, Jammu Kashmir. This portion is Pak occupied Kashmir, which we normally call it POK, that is Pak occupied Kashmir. And here we have Afghanistan. So this line is called Durand Line. The total length of the Durand Line is 106 kilometers. So boundary line between India and Afghanistan demarcated by Sir Mortimer Durand, a British diplomat in the year 1896. This line is Durand Line. So next line is the line in between India and Sri Lanka, which is called Park Strait. The total length of this Park Strait is 30 kilometers. So we don't have any definite boundary line in between India and Pakistan, but still there is an imaginary line between India and Pakistan which is called the Park Strait. It separates the Tamil Nadu state of India and the Mannar district of Sri Lanka. Next boundary line is the line between India and Myanmar. We call it Indo-Burma barrier. And the total length of this Indo-Burma barrier is 1643 kilometers. So this is India. We have the 7 states of Northeast: Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Arunachal. So here we have Myanmar, and this line is called India-Burma barrier. The total length of this barrier is 1643 kilometer. Total length of this line is 1643 kilometers. And one more important point about this line, that the 4 states of northeastern states shares border with Myanmar. And those 4 states are Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Mizoram and Manipur. Next line is the line between India and Nepal. We call it Radcliffe Line. The total length of this red relief line is 1236 kilometers. So this is India, this is Nepal, and this line which is there between India and Nepal, we call it red relief line, and total length of this red relief line is 1236 kilometers. This is where the Indo-Nepal border located. So these are some famous border lines, which are the marginal line which is there in between France and Germany. Second is Mandarin line which is there in between Russia and Finland. Next is Siegfried line which is there in between Germany and France. This one is important, 17 parallel which is there in between North Vietnam and South Vietnam, 17 parallel. And again we have other two important boundary lines. One of them is 38 parallel which is there in between North Korea and South Korea, and the next one is 49th parallel which is there in between USA and Canada. So these were some famous boundary lines between different countries. Thank you for watching the video.